Welcome back. It's almost lunchtime here. Got a little carried away. I forgot to start taking a video, but this is what I'm doing today. We are tearing down some axles right now. So 80 series front axle, and then that is a 2.5 gen Tacoma rear axle, non-locker. Same thing for here, no locker up front, non-locked. It's the beefier axle for the next project. I'm not going to show you what that is just yet, but you guys can see what we got going on here. I'll throw you on a time lapse real quick. Find my tripod. It's been so long since the video, I have no idea where that thing is. I will find it or set the camera up on something, give you guys a time lapse of what we're doing today. So, next project series has started. Well, there we go. So just hit it real quick with a dusting of Steel It just to keep the rust down to a minimum, especially all the raw metal sections I did. Hit it with a wire wheel really quick as well to get a lot of that surface rust off, but Steel It, kind of protect it until we're ready to weld again. This axle definitely came up north. Notice all the pitting in it, but it was free, and if it's free, it's for me. So got it done. If you will notice, we took a lot of stuff off, but we kept some things. Wonder what we're putting this underneath. And it is not an 80 series. So we'll let this dry up when we get some lunch real quick, and then we'll flop the Tacoma axle up on here and strip all the mounts off it as well. And after lunch now, front axle's done. All painted up for now. That's getting sent off so to get painted. Not sure if I want to keep those or do aftermarkets yet. We'll figure that out later. But I got the rear axle, same thing. Didn't clean that up because it's going to get sent off to get rebuilt. Got the whole axle stripped, all the mounts off of it. And then I've got it mostly ground/wire wheeled down because it's gonna get some gussets and some cool stuff. I just haven't figured out how I'm doing that yet, so I just stripped the whole axle. Gonna get ready and paint it up. Well, into this video. Got the rear axle tore all the way down. Completely tore down. Front axle's tore down enough for now. I've got to go through and do bearings because they're blown. The diff is surprisingly really good, but axles are tore down. I actually have the new project on the trailer over here. That's all you're getting. All right. See you guys later.